Hello guys, it's JRMHD here. Now, in the market now there have been a more bunch of amazing keyboards, but now the one I've been using is this one here. This is the keyboard I got it from. I bought it online for $15. It came together with this mouse here, but I've been using for a week now, and I really love them because first it's wireless, even though it doesn't have backlight for the keyboard, so you can't just use it at night because now you have to put your light on to use them. But sometimes you just want to use your the computer at night, so that's not good at all because you just have to get lights on. And also it's good because you don't have to charge it. You have to buy batteries. You have to buy battery for this one, and you put it inside here, as you can see, and you're good to go. I've connected with my laptop here, and yeah, that's it. The mouse too is wireless, and you're using batteries too. You put on batteries, not chargeable, and you're good to go. They're good. I love them. They're affordable, $15. You're good to go. But if you want those good keyboard for maybe a mechanical keyboard, maybe for $50, $100, or $500, there are a bunch of good keyboards out there. But these are the ones I love them. I love it. Can't complain. I use that. I've used it for some time, and I love it. So if you need this one, you just go order it online, and you're good to go. Saves more. That's it. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next one.